Hey guys, let's make some money now. On this video today, I'm going to teach you how to trade crypto arbitrage using Binance and Trexbic.com. As you can see, I have 10,728 USDT on my Binance account, and this is the funds that I'm going to show you how you can also trade and make your capital look as mine on my wallet. So without wasting time, guys, I'm going first to refresh. As you can see, I'm refreshing to see that it's real balance and not fake. So guys, what is crypto arbitrage? Crypto arbitrage is simply buying USDT in a low exchange or BTC or Ethereum, and then you sell higher on another exchange. That's what we call crypto arbitrage. So for example, here on Binance, you might get that 1 USDT equals to 1 USD, but on another exchange 1 USDT equals to 1.2 or 1.2, 1.3 USD. Okay, so that's the difference. And remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only, and I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do what I've done exactly. So without wasting time, let's do it. So the first step, you need to buy USDT on your Binance. As you can see, I have mine. And the next step, guys, you need to create an account on Trexbic.com. This is Trexbic. So what you'll need to do is you'll go to your browser on Brave, let's say Chrome also. So I'll use let's say I'll search for Trexbic, okay, .com. Once you search Trexbic.com like that, and then you log in and you create your account. Okay, so I'll assume you have created the account. As you can see, I have mine here. So the next step, guys, what I'm going to do is to find the price gap first. So because I have already the USDT on my Binance account, I'll go to click on the three dots here, and I'll go to P2P, and then I'll click on sell. So I'll put amount that I want to sell today, let's say 1,000, and payment method, I'll choose USDT. Okay, so as you can see, if I sell to this one, let's say I sell to this one is Ethereum, now I want USDT, so I'll find one with at least 1 point something here and above. This one has 1.2 price. Okay, so I'll click on sell to this one and put 1,000. As you can see, the return will be 1,156. Okay, so that's the after fees, I'll get 1,156. So as you can see, I have found now the vendor that I'm going to trade with. The next step I'm going to do is to fund my Trexbic account and then start trading. So I'll click on the three dots again, and then I'll go to crypto wallet, and then guys, I'll click on deposit USDT, and then I'm going to put 1,000 as a starting, and then I'll click on get deposit address. Okay, so this is my deposit address here. I'll copy it, and then guys, I'll go to my Binance account and click on assets, click send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then I'll press that address here, and then I'll choose the network TRX and amount 1,000, 1,001 because of $1 fee. You can see, so I'll put 1,002. Okay, and then guys, I'll click on withdraw. Okay, because of $1 fee, that's why I've put 1,002. So I'll confirm the address that I copied is correct. So now I'm going to confirm and verify my passkey. Okay, so now I'll verify my passkey very fast, like that. Remember guys, don't show anybody your passkeys for your own protection. So as you can see, now my withdrawal is processing. So now at this level, guys, what you need to do is you just need to be patient. So it will automatically get detected. So the next step I need to do is click I have paid. Okay, so I think they have paid has already been clicked. So now you wait for the deposit to be detected automatically. So let's wait for the deposit to be detected automatically in our account, and then we trade. Still waiting for the deposit to be detected automatically, guys. At this level, you need to be very patient. Do not worry, the deposit will be detected automatically, guys. So I'm still waiting for the deposit to be detected on the blockchain, and it will be funded on my Trexbic account, where I'll now start trading. Okay, So as you can see guys, the deposit has automatically been detected, and here is the deposit that I have done. You can see if I click on Tron scan, you can see the deposit automatically detected at 1000.9, the one that I had deposited. So the next step guys, you can see now my account has 1005 USDT. So down there, the next step I'm going to trade now. I'll go to P2P trading and I'll click on sell and I'll choose USDT, and then amount I'm going to put 1000. Okay, so I'm going to find that 1.2 offer, at least 1.2. This one Zara Congo has 1.2, so I'll click on sales to Zara and put 1000, and then you can see the return will be 1,219. The fee is 24. So I'll click on proceed and then click on settle guys, and the next step I'll click on the payment method that I'm going to receive the money to is USDT TRC20. Okay, so here is the thing guys, there's a way of paying to Trexbic spot wallet. If you pay on Trexbic spot wallet, you get 2% fee on charged, but if you choose on external wallet, which is your USDT address, will be paid 4.2% fee. So I'll choose on my Trexbic spot wallet because the fee is low, and then I'll click confirm. Okay, because I want to save at least a few amount. Okay, so now I'm waiting for the buyer to pay my account. So I'm still waiting for I can text the buyer here, hey, please pay my trade. So now guys, I'm waiting for the buyer to pay my trade, and as I am waiting, I'll pause this video here and I'll be back when the buyer has paid me. Okay, I'm expecting to be paid 1,244 in my spot wallet. That will be a profit of 244 in just a few minutes. So let's wait. So guys, as you can see, the secure approve will be in 4 minutes. So as we wait for 4 minutes, okay, you see the vendor has texted me. I'll send the payment shortly. Just hang tight for a second. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the trader to pay me. So guys, as you can see, the trade will be paid in 3 minutes 40 seconds now. So as we wait for the trade to be paid, I'll go back here, and then I'll go to show you something else. You can also trade crypto trading using bots. You can see there are AI bots on Trexbic.com. Like this bot here has a daily earn percent of 13.19. This one has 12.79. This has 13.25. Those are free, and you can also see the free bots here that has also good earnings. You can also trade with bots on Trexbic.com. Also guys, you can trade with on spot trading. You can also trade on spot trading. You can see here, you can also trade on spot trading and also make some income. And also guys, you can also trade staking. You can also stake your USDT here and also earn. Okay, you can see they have plans. Let me see whether the plans are here. Okay, unfortunately the plans are not here right now. Okay, and also guys, you can also use referral program to earn. Okay, you can receive 9% of every first deposit made by people you bring on Trexbic.com. Okay, as you can see, for me, I have invited 85 people, but unfortunately nobody has ever deposited, but I'm not giving up yet. Okay, these are the people that I have been inviting. Okay, so those are the things that you can do, but also today I'm going to only teach you on how to trade crypto arbitrage. So I'll still go back to my trade. Okay, I'll go to P2P trading, and you can see this trade is here. So I'm still waiting for it to be paid in 1 minute 36 seconds. Okay, so I'm still waiting for Zara Congo to pay me, guys. Just I'm very patient. Always be very patient, because everything in this life you need to be very patient. And remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing here. So guys, I'm still waiting for the vendor Zara Okwonko to pay me. So I will also still show you my Binance account now has 9,726 USDT. So if I add this on top, I think I'll have something good today to dive with. Remember guys, you can also repeat these kind of trades as many as you can. I can't repeat them because of time, so I'm still waiting the vendor to pay me in 29 seconds now. Let's hang tight as the vendor is going to pay me. Still waiting the vendor to pay. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. So the vendor must have paid now. You can see your funds are ready in your spot wallet because I had chosen my spot wallet to be paid there. If I had chosen my external wallet, I could have provided them with my USDT address. So before you release this trade, guys, you need to go back to your wallet and see. You can see now the funds are here, 1,222. So since your funds have been paid already, you go back to your financial history, P2P trades, and then you click the pending trade and you release the trade. But if the trade was not paid, you dispute, okay? Don't cancel. So I release the trade now. Good. So now guys, that's how I have done that trade, and now you can see I have 1222 from a deposit of 1,000. So the next step, guys, I'm going to click the three dots here and then go to crypto wallet and then withdraw. And then guys, you can see my amount, my funding wallet has 1.14. So I'll click on spot wallet. You can see I have 1220. So I'm going to click on withdrawal of maximum 100%, and I'm going to receive 1,177 after fee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my Binance account and then click on add funds, deposit USDT TRX, copy this address, guys, and then I will continue to address. I'll paste now the address here and I will repeat the address here, and then I'll click on review. So now guys, they have sent me a verification code that I'm going to put here to receive my withdrawal, to approve my withdrawal. So I will copy my my verification code and then I will paste it here, and then guys I will confirm withdrawal like that. Okay, you can see now guys, there's another problem here. TRX, they say that they need a minimum of 15 TRX for me to approve my withdrawal. So I need to have TRX because withdrawing USDT you must have TRX. So what I'll do, I'll go to my wallet and click on transfer, and then I'll choose USDT. Okay, and I'm going to transfer. Okay guys, I have now new. So what we need to do now, we need to deposit TRX to our account for the withdrawal network fee. So I'll click on deposit and I will put amount, let's say 15 TRX. Let's calculate this. Let's go to Brave, TRX to USD. Okay, if I go TRX to USD, they want at least 15 TRX. So I'll come here. I will put 15 TRX, let's say 16, that's $5. So I'll have to deposit $6 inside here. I'll go to crypto wallet and then I'll click on TRX. Here it is. And then guys, I'm going to put $6. Okay guys, I'll put 20 because 20 is the minimum deposit, and then I'll click get deposit address, and then I'll copy this address, and then I'll go on my Binance here. Okay, on my Binance guys, I'm going to TRX section. Let's see assets, See, my TRX is 0, so I'll have to convert to TRX, convert, and then I'll put amount 10, no problem. I'll just send them what they want. So I'll put TRX and then I'll preview. So now I'm converting on my Binance TRX so that I can have enough network fee. So now you can see I have TRX. So now I'm going to send to that address. Send, withdraw crypto, and then paste the address. TRX, I'll put a maximum number of TRX that I have, and then withdraw. See, they say that I need to withdraw minimum of 30 TRX. So I'll still go to trade, convert, and put 5 now. And then like that. Okay. So now the next step, guys, I'll click on now TRX, send, withdraw. Long press that, and then put amount is 30. Okay, withdraw, and then I'll withdraw TRX to my address so that it's enough for paying the network fee, and withdraw back to my Binance account. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm sending TRX to my address so that it can pay fees. So now I'm waiting for the TRX to be credited. Don't worry, even if it's writing here 20 USDT, but you send TRX, it will automatically detect that TRX that you have sent. So let's be patient and see how it goes. Still waiting for it, guys. I think it has already been detected. If I go to dashboard, to crypto wallet here, and then I scroll, still waiting for it, guys. I'm still waiting for it here. So now, guys, the TRX has already been sent. Now I'll go back to withdraw, and now you can see the TRX gas credit. I have it here. So now I'm going to put maximum withdrawal in spot wallet maximum, and then continue to address, guys. And now I'll repeat again and go back to my Binance, and then click advanced deposit crypto USDT, and then put TRX, copy the address, and then I'll paste it here. I'm now withdrawing back to my Binance account, and then review. Okay, so now the next step, guys, I'll put the verification code they have sent me. You can see it's here. Now I'll copy the verification code and I will paste it here. Okay, and then I'll confirm withdrawal. You can see now I should not have any error at all. So now the withdrawal is now processing to my address on Binance. It's so usually automatic, so I'm going to wait for it to be processed. So you can see they have already brought me the Tronscan. I can view it on Tronscan to see whether it's live. You can see it's live, guys. So I'm now waiting for it to arrive on my account, guys. It's now confirming. I'm very patient. You can see, guys, it's confirming. I think it has already been confirmed 1000, and I received 1077.3. So I'll go back to my Binance and check whether it has arrived. Let me refresh. You can see now I have 1177. That's almost 177.3 USDT in profit after trading crypto arbitrage. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and also join my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel also, where I teach for free. And thank you so much for watching this video. May God bless you.